So I drove to 6 different Family Dollars yesterday, and
We have a lot of packs to open here.
then there's more. And just a couple more. So I will explain a little bit of what we're doing with these, but overall, very excited to open these. So these are $2 packs from Family Dollar. So typically they're sold as dollar packs, but they have repackaged them to include 2. So the team up pack, it's a little bit older pack. It was actually packaged in 2019. And there's some really cool cards in this set. So I'll put a couple of them over here just to give you an idea of what they look like. But the team up set has some really cool cards in it. I actually don't have any cards in this entire set, so whatever we get, we're gonna be pretty happy with. I did not open any of these yet, so what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm actually gonna open up the plastic on all of them, not the actual sleeve, so you all don't have to listen to that and I don't have to edit all of that out. That took a few minutes, so I took them all out of the plastic sleeve so you can see the giant mess on the table now. So let's continue opening them. I'm gonna go ahead and move these. They're kind of in the way right now. And we'll get back to that original pack. Hey all, I'm gonna make a quick editor's note. So whenever I recorded this video originally, it was my 3rd recording. And with that, I tried to do the top view of the cards using my phone, and you'll notice it did cut off a lot of the cards. I apologize for that. Later in the video, it is fixed. What I will do is I will put a note in the description of when the cards are no longer cut off. So if you want to go ahead and skip to that part, that's fine. I appreciate you all watching the whole video. I do have some great pulls before I notice. This is the only video this happened in. I do not plan on using my phone as the top view again. Just want to thank you all for watching the video and enjoy. So let's see what we got. So in the very first pack, we did get a uncommon reverse holo, the water memory. And let's go to the second pack. And we actually got another reverse holo. Very cool. So you may be wondering like what the deal is with these packs. There's only 3 cards. There's absolutely no guarantee of a rare, a reverse holo, anything like that. Just kind of, you get what you get. And I will show you the code trick. It's not really that big of a deal. Basically, you take the code card out, maybe the back to the front, energy, Weedle, and a Yvelta. So right now, the packs are treating me very nice. I spent a few dollars on them, if you didn't notice by the giant pile. But this is a very cool card. We'll see if this works well. You can see the holo on that. So we will create kind of 2 different piles here. So we'll common, reverse, and holo. All right, now let's get into it. I'm not planning on doing the card trick on all of these. There's just too many packs. And a Poochyena, Magikarp, and a Heliolisk. This Magikarp is very cool. So is this Poochyena, honestly. I also don't want to make a super long video, so I'm going to try and go through these a little bit faster, especially with there just being so many. We got Geodude, Bronzong, and Nita. So the middle card will always be the rare card if we get one. So far, I think we're about 50-50. I'll get rid of that. Nidoran, energy, and a reverse holo Absol. Like I said, I don't have any cards from this pack, so basically every new card I get in this is going to be a new card for me. Alolan Grimer and a Pinsir, which is also a rare. So you can see it's got a star on it. And a Graveler. So this is what those cards look like. We'll do the card trick on this one. So Spirit Tomb, Magikarp again, and an Execute. Some card collectors probably just freaked out by me doing that, but I don't want to fiddle with it. I want to just open the packs and see what I get. And I've opened up enough that I know I'm not going to cut the card. So Brock's Grit, Poniard, and a Geodude. See, again, did not cut the cards. Spiritomb, Ponyta, and a Marie. Cosmog, Magikarp, and Nidorino. As you can guess, the floor is going to be a huge mess when I get done with this. So, Execute. Ooh, Incineroar GX. So this is our first GX card of the day. Very cool. We will put him in a sleeve. I guess we should probably do that with the Elgato. Many packs to go. So let's try and do this a little bit faster. Ponyta, Grimer, Viridian Forest. Pidgey, Nidoqueen. It is a rare. Very cool. And Nidorino. Zora, Weedle, Hitmonchan. This is a crazy artwork. Another Geodude, Grimer, Hitmonchan. Alright, next pack. Helioptile, a reverse holo Jinx, Energy, code card, fake code card. I don't plan on doing a whole lot of videos where I just open about 80 packs. But like I said, I don't have any in the set and they're $1, so I felt like taking a chance. Vulpix, Jasmine reverse holo, very nice, and a Tentacruel uncommon. Very cool. So I would say our pull rate is about 50% thus far, which is really good, honestly. Staryu, Onedge, Kakuna, a code card. Cosmog, Bronzong, Energy, a code card. Pretty exciting. All right, so let's going. This is a lot of packs. Ooh, reverse holo Litten, Almanite, card. Very nice. Alolan Geodude, Bronzor, Flaffy, code card. Alolan Geodude, Grimer, Spiritomb, code card. Staryu, Honedge, Nidorino, code card. So I really want to say, for those of you that have watched my first video, as well as my second, Grimer, Pidgey, Hitmonlee, that's pretty cool. I just want to say thank you for watching it. Thanks for your feedback. I've had actually quite a few friends reach out to me and say they liked the video, even if they don't like Pokemon. Psyduck, Volibee, Fairy Charm UB. Thanks for watching. It means a lot. I don't know what's gonna happen on this channel, but any support you guys send my way, I really appreciate. I could not have gotten as far in my life without my friends and family, so, you know, I really appreciate you all. Pincham, Squirtle, Nidorino, Blitzel, Alolan Graveler, Reverse Holo, Energy, code card. Very cool. Pidgey, Executor, Energy. We have Weedle, Helioptile, Persian, code card. Ponyard, Marowak, Energy. Ooh, okay. So, code card Energy. We got another Yveltal. Pretty cool that we got two of the same cards. Okay. Next one. Code card, Helioptile, Meowth, Hitmonchan. Puppeteer, Puppeteer, Larvitar, and a Reverse Holo Larvitar. Overall, I've been pretty happy with these packs. So one more thing, I know I already thanked my family and friends and everything, but some of them did reach out and give me recommendations for other ideas to do with the channel. I don't want this to just be Pokemon cards. That's just what I am comfortable doing right now. I will build computers at some point. I have some other ideas, but if you have ideas of what I should or could do with the channel, please let me know. Plan on trying a lot of different things. So we got Dratini, Bronzong, Kangaskhan. So let me know. Either you can message me, because I think most of the subscribers right now are friends and family, but if they're not, feel free to comment below. Got Pidgey, Nidorino, and a Galvantula. Code card, Torcat, Grimer, and a Zoroark Rare, Holo Rare. Very nice. Part of the idea with the channel is just to do things. So let me know what I should be doing. Ponyta, Build Analysis, Holo Rare. Very nice. Comment below what you want me to do. Dragonair, very nice. Bronzor, Poochyena. So Tentacool, Squirtle Reverse Holo, Spiritomb, code card. So I'm not even halfway through the pile yet. I'm trying to go through it fast, but I'm also trying to talk at the same time. So let me know in the comments, recommendations, things you want me to do, whatever. Paris, Pangoro, War Turtle, very nice. Go with that Squirtle. Code card. And I think for just a little bit going forward, I'm just gonna read off the cards. Because that's why you're here, right? Meowth, Nidorina, Male, Persian, Alolan, Geodude, Grimer, Jasmine, code card. I don't know why I call those code cards. Like, I know they're not, but I don't really know like what else to call them. Farfetch'd, Cosmog, Bronzong. I'll move these out of the way. I think we're a little over halfway. Then a lot of packs to go through. Code card, Minky, Galvantula, Fire Energy. Okay. Grimer. Ooh. Jirachi, reverse hollow. Very, very nice. Fairy Charm, UB. I don't know how rare this card is, but although it's a reverse hollow, I'm still gonna put it in the hard shell. Very cool. There's like a sparkle on here. Maybe there's something good underneath. So because of that, I'm gonna do the card trick. It's a code card, Water Energy, and Absol Hollow. So I was right. Very nice. I think I got the reverse hollow of that earlier. Yep, I did. Very nice. Ooh, I see something. Okay. So, do the card trick. Dangerous Drill, Cosmog, and a Incineroar GX for the second time. Very nice. Very nice. Considering these are dollar packs, this is going really well. Nothing ultra rare, but let's check. Ooh, I did not put that in a hard shell. Yep. But overall, very pleased thus far. Honedge, Energy, and Alolan Grimer for the reverse hollow. These packs are amazing. Maybe I just need to go back and buy all of them. I see why Real Breaking Nate swears by these. Like I said, nothing crazy, though I will take every one of these cards. I'll take the commons too, but you know these are what we're looking for. Tentacool, Pokemon Communication, and Return Label. Nice. Code card. Pokemon Communication, Minky, and Alolan Ninetales. That is beautiful. Very, very nice. My wife loves the Alolan Bullpix and Ninetales, so she will be excited to see that. Code card, Buff Padding, Magikarp, and Zorua. I thought I saw something shiny, but I'm pretty sure it was just the pack. Evelyn, Execute, and Weedle. So, not what I saw, because I thought I saw a silver shiny, but reverse hollow, Weedle. Nidoran, Mightyena, Energy. So if you're also a card collector, have you collected this pack? What do you think of it? So far, the dollar pack I love. Amazing luck with it thus far. I'd say I'm like 2/3 through the packs, and I feel like that's a good pile. And I mean, I'll take the holos, GXs all day. But if you've opened the packs, let me know. What do you think of the team up? I would love to get the Gengar. I'll put that over here. And the Latios GX card. So this is not the exact one I wanted, but this is one of them. So I'll show the other artwork over here. I think I showed it earlier in the video, but this is awesome. So it's not considered an ultra rare. You see the 113 out of 181. But the one that I wanted is also, I think it's actually 114. So it's the next card in the set. But I think these tag team cards, which is the main reason I wanted to open these, are super, super cool. If I played with them, I think they're supposed to be really good. But this is just like absolutely amazing card. So that is gonna get a special spot right there. I saw this slightly. I think it's a Dragonair reverse. Execute and Dragonair reverse. Very cool, beautiful card. And Electro Charger. I am just so pumped about the Latios card. So I might have to start going to the dollar store. Ooh, that's got a nick on it. More often. Because one, they're cheap and I can spend an hour just opening cards. Grass Memory, Hone Edge, Pangoro. But the thing is with these dollar packs, you can pull any card. Any card from the set. There's just no guarantee that you'll get a good card, which so far I've had amazing luck. So, Dragonair, Nidoran, and a Farfetch'd. Another reverse. Okay, Buff Padding, Staryu, Poochyena. So just to give you an idea, here's a couple of the packs. So all of these are the tag teams I was talking about. This Gengar, I really, really, really would love to get. Snorlax, honestly all four of them. Obviously getting this one was pretty big. So. Nidoran, Larvitar, Flaffy. Poochyena, Alolan, Geodude. Fairy Charm UB. That code card stack is growing. And I have no use for them. So basically all it says is watch Pokemon on TV, where to watch the app. And it says buy cards. So not a whole lot of use to it. Energy, Tentacool, Nidoran, reverse holo. Nidorina, get that right. Vulpix, Pancham, reverse holo, energy, card. So I've opened quite a few of these before and never had this much luck. I did pull a ultra rare the other day from a dollar pack, and the card's worth like $28 raw. Viridian Forest, Olabi, and another Jirachi. Very cool. This is a beautiful card. Oh, there's something. So, Heliodisc, Blitzel, and a black market trainer card. I don't know the full story behind these. I have a couple from different sets, but they're very cool. I also really like this black border. I feel like it looks way nicer than the typical yellow border. I'm gonna put it in one of these. Energy, Vulpix, and a Gyarados reverse holo. Oh, I was gonna say I think these are from the same set, but I guess they're all kind of jumbled together, so I have no idea. But that would be really cool if it was a $2 pack and had both of these cards. Kakuna, Joltik, and Blitzel. Flaffy, Ponyard, Grimer, Torcat, Psyduck, and Volibee, Buff Padding, Geodude, Pidgeot, Energy, Nidoran, Muck. And Muck is kind of crazy looking. So let's see, we have 6 packs left. Farfetch'd, Larvitar, Mr. Mime, Nanu, Magikarp. I do not think we've drawn that card at all. It is a rare, very cool. Execute. I have 4 packs left, including this one. Ammonite. There's something underneath here. Bonita, and a Mr. Mime GX. Farfetch'd, Helioptile, Doublade, Reverse Holo. Energy, Voltorb, and Incineroar GX. Our third one. Very cool. And for our last pack, they call it last pack magic. I'm not feeling confident, but we shall see. We'll do the card trick. So Hitmonlee, Dratini, and Alolan Ninetales. So reverse holo. I'm not gonna complain about that, especially on dollar packs. Let's see. I think we opened 84 packs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 holo, reverse holo cards. That is like almost 50%. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what cards I should be opening. I do have a couple of surprises next week. I will be opening, I will show you. So I have 4, 5, 6 Primal Clash booster packs. So this is the main reason I actually went to Family Dollar. So these packs were actually printed in 2015. I will try and highlight that for you in the video. And Dollar Tree was selling them. They were selling them for $4, but that's the cost of like a normal pack. So I will take that all day. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified each and every time I upload a video. And I will see you all in another video. All right, bye.